Good evening and welcome to video number 31. Today we are going riding in the Can-Am Maverick 1000. This is my dad's mobile, so nothing can happen to it. So hopefully nothing happens to it. So we're gonna go rip the streets up. Then we're gonna attach the snowboard to it. Hopefully the snow plows don't come and ruin all of our fun. So let's hit the streets. Let's go do some drifting. Channel our inner Ken block. Holy shit. Is an absolute winter freaking weapon. That was amazing. This thing's a tank. We have so much snow. They're definitely stuck at the bottom of the driveway. Look at the freaking rim on it. It's the new freaking rotiforms. My pocket is full of snow. This thing is so much fun. Absolute tank in the snow. At first I was just putting it in two-wheel and drifting it, and like we kept getting stuck. And once I put it into four-wheel, it was so much easier to like control the drift, and we'd be able to go so much faster. They're definitely stuck at the bottom. Should we go check them out? That thing's no match for the Can-Am.
The fumes, I'm just sucking in fumes.
All right, give her. This thing is not moving. Let me sit on it and you push it.
Why don't I sit on it and you push it? Dude, these fumes are gonna make me like pass out. I'm literally hauling up this whole way, like holding my breath.
I'll grab the frontal lobe. Keep going! Hey, hooligan! What do you guys got going on over here? Holy!
Holy shit!
Wow! Absolutely mondo.
It's almost halfway there.
So I'll go try to start the snowmobile. Oh, this thing is covered. Oh my god. Alright, Arctic Cat power. Let's see if this thing goes. Got it started. Rutherford. Get Rutherford attached.
Rutherford? Am I Rutherford? That's a new one.
Frosty! Oh no!
I thought I was gonna hit Frosty.
He's got that upper lippy.
Vic! No! No, Vic! No!
Hose haul. Dude, you're going so fast around there. Oh! Damn, you went flying though.
That was so fucking fast.
How'd you just get so much speed?
Fucking whiplash.
I literally look like a starfish.
Look at the mark of his back, too. Just straight grass.
All right, let's go. Now round two. Are you gonna do another back?
No.
Please do another one.
You gotta land it. Oh, too early. Oh my god, Jake!
Dude, I didn't even try that. It just fucking sends you into a vacuum.
Jake, you are so lucky you have spidey senses. Anyone else would have just landed on their neck.
You guys just gotta go with it. Dude, I literally just wanted to jump it normal. It was just fucking...
Oh my god.
Oh shit!
Snowball thinks he's a flamingo. And that is a wrap. Thank you all for watching the video. Hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the content. Leave me a comment down below. I always read all of them, and always remember to keep on rolling.